Hey, this week I want to go ahead and cover some of the questions that we have out there. From time to time, I will get pushback on using either bacteria or enzymes to break down the solids in your black tank. Let's go ahead and cover that. Hey, welcome to another one of Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the National RV Training Academy. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday. Every time you go to the bathroom or anything else, you're introducing solids to the black tank. Fire in the house! A couple things that we want to do. In order to keep the solids as moist as possible, yes, I did use the word moist.
Hello, neighbor. Today our word of the day is moist.
Want to keep plenty of water in there. But from time to time, depending on who we are, what we eat, our diet, and the medicine we may take, the solids are, well, a little more solid than they need to be, or just they don't break down very easy. So we need help of some type of bacteria, some type of enzyme that helps break that down, right? We want good flora growing in our black tanks. People out there will say, some people will say, hey, you don't want your holding tank to be a septic tank. Now, septic tank, what they're saying is, hey, you got bacteria and they're breaking everything down because it'll form sludge, just like what we see here. You don't want that. That is sludge. That sludge will build up, and of course, it never goes out. And I'm here to show you it's not true, as long as there's water inside. What we're looking at here is what is left over from whatever the bacteria eats all this stuff up, right? So this is what the bacteria poops out, of course, the bacteria itself, right? And if I just simply hold it still, right, they'll show you and say, you want a holding tank, you don't want a septic tank. Well, here's the problem. You already have bacteria in your stomach when you go to the bathroom, so you're putting bacteria into the holding tank. It is a septic tank, but you're holding it for a small amount of time. So here's the thing, as long as you have water inside your black tank, which is great, bacteria is going to do what bacteria does. It does break everything down, but this is not a sludge. It is what is left over, and with just a little bit of movement of water, as you see, it doesn't build up. So the fear about using bacteria in your black tank is greatly overstated. Yes, they do eat the stuff. This is what's left over, but if you keep liquid inside your black tank, of course, flush it out from time to time, should be the cleanest tank you have out there. Now, does this stuff work for all things? Does any bacteria work for all things? No, there is struvite that builds up. These are going to be minerals mixing in with biomass and everything else. And that's where a professional cleaner comes in and really descales that. So here's the thing. Black tanks, depending on who you are, you never have any problems. Maybe you eat a lot of jalapenos. So there's not a lot of buildup. Everything's just kind of already liquid. But for some people, medicines or whatnot, they need a little bit of help. That's where having an additional product, bacteria, enzymes or whatnot, really do help out. And even then, there's some that from time to time just needs to have a descaling take place in the black tank. There's room for everyone. Don't be scared to use a product inside your black tank as long as the product doesn't kill the bacteria or enzymes that you are using. There's your tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers. Been a while since I talked about poop. Yes, I know my
You said tick tip.
tick tip, that's right. So I'm not promoting this liquefied tank treatment. Not promoting it at all, the liquefied tank treatment. There's others out there, and I'm definitely not promoting those, but I'm definitely not promoting the liquefied tank treatment. Matt and his team not promoting it all.